You guys gotta watch this video because I'm gonna show you everything I use, everything I do to get these luscious, nice, juicy curls. Yes. Yes. Watch my routine, you guys, because this actually worked this time.
Welcome to my natural curly hair vlog. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Hit that bell so you'll be notified when I have more videos. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram and my Chablee.com.
My hair has so much volume and bounce and shine, y'all, and it's so defined. And what products I use.
Sprays work, but today we're going to define these curls right now. Hair is washed and clean, so now I'm going to take out these braids. Wow, my hair smells good. Give to you guys a 15% off coupon. So next I'm going to put some of this Fiji water in this spray bottle, mix it with a little bit of castor oil and damp my hair. Love using these demi brushes. It really makes my curls pop. I'm gonna quickly untangle my hair. All right, so now I'm gonna try this briogeo. $36. It's an 8 ounce. Don't despair, repair deep conditioner hair mask. I heard really great reviews on this product. I'm so excited that I finally purchased it, even though it's a little bit expensive. You see, it's a white color. It has like a milky but still accurate consistency. This product smells real fresh. It's a high-end product, so it doesn't smell like tropical or fruity or anything. I'm going to apply a good healthy amount to my hair and coat it, and it's absorbing it pretty well. And I found out that this product works really well when your hair is very wet. So I did spray a lot of the Fiji water in my hair. My hair is low porosity. I have a low porosity hair type. Then I'm going to apply some of the Echo flaxseed gel. All right, so for my moisture, I'm going to use this Canton butter. Yes, it is so good for natural hair. It's time to define these curls, you guys. Yes, my hair needs this. It needs more moisture. Gonna get some slip. Okay, I'm gonna get some of that Canton butter. Applying the Canton evenly through the hair, parting it in section in little pieces, brushing it through, and putting the Fiji water on it, and a little bit of the Echo flaxseed gel. And together, you guys, they do not flake. So I'm loving that, and I'm still getting the moisture, and my curls did get a really good definition from doing this technique. I did get this great demi brush. The colors is amazing. It was on Amazon. I'll put the link down below, and that really helps detangle my hair, and it really defines the curls and helps the value of my hair. Brushes really work really well. I have 2 different types of demi brushes. My favorite part, I gotta like pull out my baby hairs, you know, my little pink baby hair brush. Just lightly brush them down and put that Echo flaxseed gel, a good amount on there, and just do a nice little design around my edges, you know. All right, I got it just how I want it. Now I'm just applying some more of the Canton butter on the hair. I'm just gonna finger curl it. So it's just like that, very simple, you guys, and it's gonna look more fuller around your face. It's very easy to do. And I'm only gonna do that to a couple pieces around my face. I'm almost halfway done. My curl pattern is much different in the back. It's much tighter. It's more like a 4A and a 4B pattern in the back. So braiding like this really stretches out the curls a little bit so I could get a little bit more length. So, and it helped detangling the hair. So when I'm ready to style it, it's not really detangled as much. So we're going to do the same method, you know, split it in half, put that Fiji water on there, and a little bit of castor oil in the spray bottle, and then apply a little bit of that deep conditioner mask and a little bit of that Cantoon and a little bit of that Echo flaxseed gel. Same method, you know. I'm gonna just apply a little bit of more gel just because the curl pattern is much tighter back here and I want to stretch my hair length a little bit. And I am using a silk scrunchie, as you see in the back, you guys. That is a brown silk scrunchie, and those are great to use because your hair will not get tangled and stuck on it. And I got that from Shein. I believe you can get like 6 of them only for like $3. So let's speed up this video. I'm going to take a little break. This is my son, Shakai. He is 8 months old, you guys. When I have time and I really want my curls to pop, I really take my time sectioning out my hair and parting it in small little pieces. And once I apply the product, and then I go over that same piece again to midway all the way to the ends because I really want my curls to clunk together. It really helps define the curls. Brush my hair under and over, and I applied more of the Cantoon butter so I could get the curls more definition, and it helps stretches the hair. And then I apply some more Cantoon butter on the edges, more product on the bottom because I'm really trying to stretch out the curls. And then the demi brush really helps the cream to like blend and dissolve in my hair more. So I cut a lot of my footage in half because I know you guys don't want to watch me do my whole head, because now I think you pretty much got my technique down, that I did section out my hair and you see what product I'm putting in it, and it definitely works, you guys. I'm not seeing no flakes. My hair is absorbing it and it feels good and it's not weighing down my curls, as you see. So I'm now flipping to the other side. You know, remember to use bottled water, don't use the tap water, and invest in a nice brush because that's really going to help bring back those curls too. I think it definitely rebuilt the structure in my hair, but also my hair still really feels so soft and moist, you guys. So I highly recommend this technique and these products. Your hair, man, I was not expecting this. I think it definitely rebuilt my structure of my hair, but it also still made my hair really soft and moisturized. So I highly recommend these products, you guys, if you have hair similar to mine. It's just worth it. It's way better than what I expected. All right, perfect. So I apply all this product evenly throughout my whole hair. It's saturated. It's definitely in there. And my hair is still wet. So I'm going to set my dryer for a medium airway and a medium temperature, not too hot, not too cold. And I'm going to sit under this dryer, you guys, for at least 15 to 20 minutes so I can really start speeding up the process of my hair getting dry. I used to air dry, but I done my research and it's just healthy to have your hair dry faster. And I realized that the product sinks in your hair faster, and my hair will have more volume and bounce faster if I use a blow dryer or a dryer, and it's healthier on your scalp. So the pieces that didn't curl really well, I just put my little rods in there, and I could do a video of rods if you guys want to see. Please leave comments down below. And I'm just going to take these little rods out. I just wanted to be more fuller in my face, and that's why I did that haircut. I hope you guys see the haircut video. So as I'm taking the rods out of my hair, I just lightly, gently just kind of do a twirl and a spin. And then I divide the curls up because I really want it to blend in with the rest of my hair. So I divide it up in 2 to 3 little pieces. The hair is still slightly damp, but that's okay. Wow, you guys, my hair is starting to feel so soft right now. It just feels amazing and so plush. And you know what? It looks healthier and it feels much healthier. You know, this product is very lightweight, so it's not even weighing down my curls. But as you see, it just looks amazing. And you guys, this works so well. You don't even see the product in my hair. Like, the product totally dissolved. It just gives me volume. My hair just looks so much plush. And thanks again for watching my video. Stay tuned to another video. And check out some of these other videos, you guys, on my right and the left. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when I have more videos.